Ang ginagawa natin dyan, boss? Ang ginagawa natin dyan, boss?
I'm just removing this air filter because our customer will get angry because if we did not clean this, the full of system will affect the
I see.
customer.
The Bastrop of Japan.
What's up, guys?
Hey.
Video lang tayo. Ito yung trabaho namin dito, guys. Ano? Wala makatingin eh. Happy lang.
Happy lang guys.
No stress.
Yes.
No stress, guys.